The Power Management Reporting tool allows you to generate reports on how much power is being used. To use this tool, open the Impero console. Select the group you want to run a report on and click on the Admin tab. Choose the Power Management option and then click on the Reports tab. You will need to select the computer group you want to generate the report for and select a time range from which the report will be generated. Before running the report, you are also able to alter the energy cost and energy consumption rates specific to your organization. When you are happy with the criteria you have set up, click on Generate Report to download the power management logs from the Impero server. This may take a short while, depending on the criteria you have set. Once the report has been generated, you will be presented with a new window and a summary of the report. This will show the amount of power being used, as well as the power cost and computer usage. You can also see the total idle time from when you first ran the report up until the current day. The bottom panel will display graphical results with a number of options that you can select from. You also have the ability to look at a detailed breakdown for each of the workstations within the selected group. This includes information on how long each workstation has been logged on and the amount of money that has been wasted. You can also run a usage analysis for a particular period of time and view graphical information. You will have the option to export this information to a CSV file or to a PDF. Selecting the Compare tab allows you to compare computer usage between different dates. The User Usage tab allows you to view user login information on the specified dates. By expanding a user's information, you can see when they logged in and when they logged out during this period.